We are standing at a unique juncture in history, where a significant global event has affected each of us in an unprecedented way. As we begin to adapt on a personal level, businesses too are facing unforeseen challenges. Organizations whose employees traditionally worked in an office setting are now looking to equip their workforce with the tools to work remotely on the fly. Managers who traditionally used face-to-face interaction to manage their teams now must shift to virtual means. Furthermore, everyone is contending with mental, physical, and emotional challenges and collectively learning to navigate new events and new experiences in an effective and healthy way. We are hearing stories in the news about the operational challenges of delivering assistance programs. Call centers, once fielding 3,000 calls a day, are now receiving 25,000. Extraordinary needs for hiring, redeploying, or retraining staff, and from a general perspective, a push to give people the resources and help that they need. The top priority of SAP SuccessFactors is the health and well-being of our entire ecosystem, including our employees, customers, partners, and communities, in addition to ensuring their success and taking charge of change within their business. In order to assist with these changes, we offer SAP Content Stream by Skillsoft, SAP SuccessFactors Learning, and SAP Jam for collaboration as needed, which provides a unified and seamless solution for individuals and leaders for reskilling and upskilling on topics such as adapting to change, business continuity, digital skill development, leading remotely and through change, wellness and mental being, and collaborating with a remote workforce. SAP Content Stream is available in several editions to maximize productivity based on the needs of each of our clients. These editions focus on critical business skills, managing teams in new ways, and organizational performance. The Business Essential Edition contains microlearning, videos, books, and courseware to enable employees' skill transformation. It helps develop and expand business-critical skills covering everything from competency development such as time and conflict management to critical certifications like Six Sigma, Prince 2, or PMI. The Leadership and Digital Transformation Edition helps deliver digital and leadership training to develop capable leaders, support leaders through critical transition points, and train tenured leaders in emerging digital competencies. The Technology and Developer Edition is geared toward technical and developer audiences. This content package keeps your workforce ahead of the IT curve. It gives staff a clear career path that inspires and incentivizes them to grow through dynamic professional development and education. Many of these offerings also include a business continuity channel to help customers address significant business challenges while working to retain and train employees in this new working environment. The Business Continuity Channel includes additional multimodal assets on virtual teams, risk, collaboration, resilience, and more. If the need arises for your teams to collaborate on specific topics, courses, or learning programs, the SAP Jam platform can facilitate any informal learning that needs to be delivered and tracked. Leveraging these solutions from SAP can future-proof your workforce even as the world changes. With new content constantly being added and updated, you'll have the necessary tools to upskill and reskill quickly and efficiently. Let's take a look. Whether you are getting ready to roll out SuccessFactors Learning from scratch or have been a customer for 20 years, these new solutions add significant value with perfect data and imagery, the standard SAP support model, and industry-leading content based on the latest brain science. Information is automatically loaded and updated using standard SuccessFactors tools, keeping the administrative burden extremely low and expediting the time to value to weeks, not months. Course and learning activity data are loaded directly into SuccessFactors, meaning that it can be used in certifications, learning programs, or even take advantage of our machine learning recommendations engine to ensure that relevant content is funneled to the right people. As soon as users enter the system, they are 2 clicks away from starting their journey from where they are today to where the organization needs them to be. Since the content has data built specifically for SuccessFactors Learning, searching enables users to locate topics, criteria, and a delivery model that best suits them. If, for example, a user is looking for information on facing virtual team challenges, They're immediately navigated to the learning catalog with a variety of relevant options. Users can quickly filter the results based on the delivery method that fits their preferred learning method as well. Providing traditional ebooks and audiobooks, as well as summaries of each, ensures that users can quickly find what they want without wasting time. For visual learners, expert-delivered video content is also available, in addition to full courses or entire topic areas. Because many of the video-based learning assets are built as micro-learning, users that launch video assets are taken directly to the piece of information that they're looking for within the larger course, as opposed to having to scan through an entire course to target what they need. This flow translates into significantly faster information consumption and immediate action in the flow of work. Users also get to choose their interests to gain immediate value based on what they need. The first time users enter the solution, they can select their key interests and even further define them, so the solution delivers targeted and engaging assets from the start. This data can then be used to make future recommendations using the machine learning recommendations engine included with SuccessFactors. Each user's preferred learning method can help define the content that is available for each topic of interest. The solution follows a watch, read, listen, practice model depending on the content delivery options to enable users to get the most out of the training, specifically in the format that matches their learning style. No matter which method they prefer, all completions track within SuccessFactors as the primary system of record for reporting, certificate printing, and more. We know that users don't always think about entering a system at the moment that they need information, have a problem to solve, or want to explore a particular topic. Learners want to learn in the flow of work, to pick up information they need in a manner conducive to how they learn, that also happens to fit how they conduct their normal business. When users are navigating through their company intranet, searching Bing or Google, or looking at regular web pages, simply selecting a word or phrase is as far as they have to go, and the solution will do the rest. They can preview results, view descriptions, or jump right into the solution from their browser, instead of wasting time logging in, searching, and filtering through traditional means. Organizations often struggle when larger upskilling or truly transformational shifts are required across professions. Finding learning programs that can encourage career progression, reskilling to new technologies, and preparing for formal certifications can prove difficult and expensive. SAP supports these endeavors for our customers, partners, employees, and larger ecosystem by providing easy access to prescribed learning journeys, helping navigate certification requirements, and offering practice labs for formal certifications. So how do we get there? When it's time to upskill, the Aspire journeys can guide you down the path to meet or exceed your learning and development goals. Each Aspire journey provides a clear development path for a given profession that enables you to assess your skills and determine opportunities to maximize your potential within the organization. At their core, Aspire journeys are defined around expertise levels that are categorized by skills, knowledge, and achievements. For leadership, these journeys could provide a solid foundation that promotes development and growth to lead your teams to successful business outcomes. For technical learners, it could help transition from an enterprise developer to a DevOps engineer or software project lead to an advanced Scrum Master. Prerequisites, details on how to complete your journey, and well-defined tracks are available to help you get there, and as always, in the format that matches your preferred learning methods, with practice opportunities built in. When the need arises for formal certifications or the means to obtain one, the Browse Certifications tool can help narrow down the type of certification you're seeking, the skill level you'd like to attain, and the technology vendor from which you'd like to attain it. A great example of this would be for individuals interested in finding certifications from Amazon on operations. They could easily identify the training resources, view the certification training path, then watch, read, and/or practice for the formal certification. These tools all build the stepping stones in the path to reskilling or upskilling, working toward achieving the changes you or your organization need in a timely manner. When select courses are complete, advertising your new skills and abilities internally or externally to your organization are as easy as sharing digital badges. These digital badges are blockchain verifiable and portable records of accomplishment that travel with you wherever you go. They can easily be shared online via social networks, emailed, or even embedded in other pages. Since they're verifiable, organizations can rest easy knowing that you've attained the skills necessary to do your job well. In order to address the changing work environment, organizations simply must adapt. They must have the tools to help their workforce discover learning in order to upskill or reskill and meet short and long-term goals. What's more, they must have access to the valuable data that can inform future business decisions. SAP SuccessFactors, SAP Jam, and SAP Content Stream help you take charge of change with assets that directly address your organization's needs, as well as those of each of your employees. Whether you aim to improve collaboration with SAP Jam, increase productivity, lead through digital transformation, pivot expertise to new technologies, or manage business continuity in a time wrought with risk, SAP SuccessFactors is here to guide and accelerate your success.